Good morning, this is Mr. Herbold. I want to talk to my GATE classes, periods 1, 4, and 6. Hope everybody's doing okay. I'm calling this a midweek check-in. It's April 1st too, so watch out. Anyway, I just wanted to check in with you and let you know some things that are going on. The first of all, a lot of questions we've had about how do I submit my stuff? Well, obviously you do it through Google Classroom. But simply, all you have to do is when you see the IRNSG or the handout, exercise, whatever, all you have to do is read it on the screen and get a separate Google document and put your answers on that and submit that. That's all you have to do. Or you can take a picture of it and send that. Whatever works for you. I'm easy. I'll just get it to me when it's due. That's all I ask. When you're checking School Loop, a lot of you are panicking. What's that M mean? M simply means it's missing. Okay, now I should have, a couple of them I shouldn't have put that on there until after it was due, but I'm learning just like you. But don't panic. As soon as you turn it in, the M goes away, the points are on there. Don't worry about it. So M just means missing and I need it. Now what the DBQ packets. DBQ packets, very important. We're holding off on the actual essay for right now. What we're really working on is the packet only. So that is due Friday. It looks like this, DBQ packet. Okay. I need you to fill out everything. The only thing that you don't have to do is that first set of buckets called pre-bucketing. You don't have to do these. You do have to do the questions above it, but you don't have to do the first set. Then what you want to do is there's another set later on with the chicken foot. That I need you to do. But those first set of buckets, forget it. Okay. So the next thing is what is due on Friday. Okay. First thing is the DBQ packet. And then there's these questions that are from the textbook. Right out of the textbook, page 367. Take care of those. Second thing are these review things. Pretty close to the textbook, but I want you to have these filled out because these are going to be a great study tool for the exam when we do that in a couple of weeks. And then the last thing is there's two things. One is called Violence and Slavery Issue, Bleeding Kansas. It talks about poor Senator Sumner getting beat by Preston Brooks, the member of the House, I believe he was, and he was beating him because Brooks had talked about his uncle in a anti-slavery speech, and so he didn't care for that. And then you remember the funny part was in the process of him getting beat, he busted his cane, and Southern sympathizers sent him more canes. So it kind of goes to show you how the South felt about what was going on. The last thing is the Kansas-Nebraska Act. Don't worry about coloring it. I know it says to color it. Don't worry about it. All you want to do is answer the questions, and don't worry about that silly page number. Some of you got thrown off by that page number right there. Don't worry about that. Just go by what the book says. So really all you're going to do is answer the very last question on the bottom. And that's it. And give it back to Mr. Herbold by Friday, and it's all good. Remember, if you have any problems at all, shoot me an email. I'm doing this all day, answering emails and updating grades and all that stuff. So don't worry, you're not bothering me at all. Send me stuff, and so I'll see you again on Friday, April 3rd. All of your stuff will be in. Make sure you're checking School Loop and Google Classroom. Get all that stuff into me, and then we'll go over everything. And then I'm going to give you a little preview about what's going to hit you the week of April 13th, because remember, we're taking a break between the 6th and the 10th. But I'll go over a little bit about what's going to happen to you then, and I'll go over all this stuff that I went over, just to make sure we're all on the same page, because I got to get you ready for your Chapter 10 exam. Okay? All right. So hope everything's good with y'all, and I'm going to go back to work. See you later.